How to fix firewall blocking internet on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your firewall blocking your internet connection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your task manager. So search for task manager and open it up. After you open up your task manager, what you'll need to do here is tap on run new task. Here you will see run new task, tap on it, and here you will see create new task, where you will need to type in cmd.exe. Tap on OK and open it up. So after you open up your cmd, what you'll have to do here is type in a code called sfc space give a slash and type in scan now. After you do that, simply hit run, and after you hit run, you can just let that complete, and what you need to do is search for services. Search for services and open services up in your Windows. Now what you'll have to do here is here you'll need to search for your Windows Defender. So scroll down till you find Windows Defender, and there we go, it's Windows Defender Firewall. Simply open this up, and here you will need to just tap on the startup type and set it to automatic. Now since mine is already on automatic, I'll just let it be. But if it's not on automatic, what you'll have to do is after you complete the scan here, just come back here and change it to automatic and tap on apply, then OK. After you do that, your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.